To do anything can be an album cover trend on TikTok. First open TikTok. Now go to search option and search for anything can be an album cover. Now here you will find lots of videos with the similar trend. Click on any one of the video with the same trend and then click on CapCut template option given above the username. Now click on use template in CapCut. Remember you need CapCut application to do this trend. So if you don't have CapCut, first download it. Now after clicking on use template in CapCut, you will direct it to CapCut application. And from here click on use template and add your video from gallery and then proceed. Now check your video and then export. And now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.